Hi friends, welcome to Anji Maths channel. Now let us discuss an important 4 marks problem from the quadratic equations. The question is, a water boat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. See, let us understand the problem first. A water boat is traveling 24 kilometers. Let it be from A to B, 24 kilometers. And let us imagine this is downstream. Downstream means along the stream is flowing along A to B. Let it be upstream. You are given that the boat is taking 1 hour more to come from B to A. That is the clue given. And we have to find what is the speed of the stream. See, when you go along the downstream, the speed of the stream will be added to the boat speed. So here we have to imagine what is the speed of the stream. Let us go through the solution. Later you can easily understand. Let x kmph be the speed of the stream. Then down the stream, boat speed before that, given that speed of the boat, let us write speed of the boat in still water is 18 kmph. Therefore, speed of the boat down the stream it becomes 18 plus x kilometer per hour. The speed of the water will add to the speed of the boat. Similarly, speed of the boat upstream, then the flow speed, that is speed of the stream will opposes the speed of the boat, which means the boat speed decreases by x kmph. Now we will use DTS formula. Distance is equal to time into speed. Time taken to travel 24 kilometers down the stream is equal to, let it be some t1, it would be time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 24 and down the stream our speed is 18 plus x. Let it be 24 by 18 plus x hours. Second one, time taken to travel 24 kilometers, that is in return journey upstream. Let it be some t2, same distance, but the speed becomes 18 minus x hours. The difference between these two timings is 1 hour. So it takes 1 hour more to come from B to A, that is upstream. So difference between these two is 1 hour. Given that difference of these two timings is 1 hour. Let us make use of this small space. What is T2? 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1, which implies take 24 common. 24 into 1 by 18 minus x minus 1 by 18 plus x is equal to 1. Shift this 1 into RHS, then here 18 minus x into 18 plus x is the LCM. It goes crosswise, like this term goes into the numerator. 18 plus x minus of 18 minus x is equal to 1 by 24. Eliminate this bracket. Next step becomes 18 plus x minus 18 plus x by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square is equal to 1 by 24. Minus 18 plus 18 gets cancelled. 2x by 18 square 324 minus x square is equal to 1 by 24, which would imply do cross multiplication. 324 minus x square is equal to 24 2 times 48x, and bring these two terms into RHS and do some rearrangement. The quadratic equation becomes x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. If we solve that equation, we will get the speed of the stream. Now let us solve this quadratic equation. X square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. As it is a harmonic quadratic equation, you can factorize. Like it is a 18 square, you have to factorize in such a way that the difference of the factors should be 48 plus into minus 54 into 6, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 32. So these two factors are suitable here. So if you factorize, it becomes x plus 54 into x minus 6 is equal to 0, and x is equal to minus 54 or x is equal to 6. Here x cannot be equal to minus 54 because the speed of the stream cannot be negative. So we will consider this value x is equal to 6 km ph. Therefore, speed of the stream is 6 kilometers per hour. This is how we solve this problem by using a simple formula. Distance is equal to time into speed. This relation is important. Thank you. I hope you understand.